Hi, I'm Barty, and welcome to my garden. I'm your neighbourhood noise control goblin, and your council has put me in charge of making sure that everyone around here stays quiet, at least at night time, and only before breakfast. But what is noise pollution? Well, noise pollution is excessive noise created by people and machines that disrupt the flow and ease of everyday life. So why are you hearing from me now? You ask. Well, I've been asked by your Prime Minister, Jacinda Ardern, to make sure that everyone in the city of Auckland gets a good night's sleep.
Hi everyone, it's Jacinda Ardern, and I'm here with my friend Barty Gobs to tell you about noise pollution. My hope is that we can get Auckland to be the quietest city in all of New Zealand.
That way, everyone's in a better mood, and the whole city will be much happier. That's it from me. Keep the noise down.